Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a pretty big haul. KL Polish is going out of business and you know, it's kind of, they're doing like their last call, last chance, you know, get it if you want it because we're not going to be here no more. And I had wanted the Zodiac collection from them. So I did go purchase the entire, because they had all of them, I went and purchased the entire collection. Well, during shipment, one of my polishes got broke. And when I contacted the company, which was immediately, I was informed that that one broken polish was out of stock and will not be restocked. I was just brokenhearted. I was so sick. But I hopped on eBay and paid way too much for it so that I could complete the collection. So even though I got these at a huge discount, when I went to have to replace one to finish off the collection, I blew up that discount, whatever. But what KL Polish did for me for the broken one was they let me pick another color, you know, another shade, and they sent that out to me. So we're going to hop through these real quick. This first one here is Aquarius 2, beautiful blue hollow. And then we have the next one, which is Pisces. Gorgeous. That one was a 3-coater. All of the rest of them, I only did 2 coats. So next we have Aries, and I'm in love with this orange. I mean, like crazy in love. One of my first polishes I ever fell in love with was a polish this shade, which is crazy because I'm a pink girl. And then let's turn this around this way. The next one is Taurus. I love that. That is going to be such a great color to do nail art on. It's almost like a peanut butter color, but she's actually got one called peanut butter, so that's not spot on peanut butter. And here is a beautiful 2-coater, and this one is Gemini. Totally in love. I'll tell you that one. So Taurus 2, yeah, I did tell you Taurus 2. Okay, and then Gemini. And then next we have Cancer. And this is a beautiful gray. It's like the perfect shade. It's not too dark, not too light. It's just excellent. And then next we have Leo. Look at that flame in a bottle. And then next we have Leo. Look at that flame in a bottle. Isn't that crazy? Love it. And then we have Virgo. Another gorgeous gray cream. This one's a little darker. And then we have this gorgeous pink, and something happened to my cap. I don't know. But it's a dusty pink, and it's singing to me. This one's probably going to be one of the first ones I wear. And then next we have Scorpio, which I'm in love with. I don't care if that's a fall color. I have a feeling that one's going to have to go on very soon too, because it's so pretty. Now this one's the one that was broken. I'll insert a picture so y'all can see the sadness of the polish abuse that was, you know, what it was. So that one is Sagittarius. Love that. It's like the most perfect aubergine, eggplant. Ugh, love it. And then finally the last one from the Zodiac is Capricorn. And I'm in love with this one too. This one would just be so good for St. Patrick's Day. So, this is my replacement polish. And out of all of them, I'm just not as digging it. It's Casanova. I mean, I haven't worn it yet, so I'm not going to make a total decision on it until I, you know, actually wear it on my nails. But it's not my favorite. So, I just wanted to show these to you. Some of these are going to still be in stock. Some of them might be sold out. I'm getting emails from KL Polish stating that if you want them, you better grab them. They're running really good specials. I think mine was 40 or 45% off, and I just couldn't resist that. That was the bait that drew me in. So there we have it. So if you want these, you know, hop out there. I'll try to remember to leave a link for KL Polish down below. And so if you saw anything that sparks your, you know, sparks your love, you know, you want to get out there and get it, because they're not making these anymore. And like this one, you do not want to pay eBay prices for these, because it was like ridiculous. I think it was like $16 or something. And I was like, well, that just ate up all my savings on the other ones. Not really, but, you know. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite one is, or if you have any of these, or if you have any KL polishes you want to talk about. Put it down in the comments. Let people know what your favorite is, so that if they want to check it out, hi Cotton, if they want to check it out while it may still be available, they can. They can run out there and grab one up. So that is it. Until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.